Earn real rewards, complete surveys, play games, spin, scratch and more to win cash daily. Before I get into this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on proven ways to make money online. And let me know in the comments where you're watching from. That way I can drop videos that fit your region. Alright, let's talk about one of the easiest ways to earn real cash from your phone. No investment, no fancy skills needed. The app is called Make Money, but buy, play and earn cash. And it's basically your all-in-one hub for pocketing extra income in your spare time. Here's how it works. You simply download the app, set up a free account, and you're set to go. Want to make money by playing games? You got it. More into surveys or quick tasks? It's all here. You can even spin wheels or scratch cards for a shot at bonus prizes. My favorite part is how flexible it is. You can answer surveys, try out new apps, or just read some news for coins. There's no limit to how you rack up those rewards, and every day you log in you get a free bonus. That's right. Just check in, and you're already earning. Now here's what makes this app stand out. It's totally free and actually legit. No hidden fees, no weird catches. You can cash out instantly to Paytm, grab gift cards, or get wallet rewards. Quick tips to maximize your earnings? Log in every day to keep your streak and collect those bonuses. Don't skip out on surveys or offers. They add up fast. Use your spins and scratches daily. And if you want to boost your rewards, refer your friends. So if you're ready to start earning real rewards just by having some fun, download Make Money, play and earn cash now and see how much you can make. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this, give it a like, drop a comment, and share it around. And don't forget to subscribe for more ways to make money online. See you in the next one.